we are introducing a new monthly segment where each month we will bring on AWS's Daniele Stroppa onto our program to hand out a new award we are calling Omni Talk's Retail Tech Startup of the Month. And the first award winner, let me tell you, folks, could not be more timely and apropos. But before we award this month's winner, let's first introduce Daniele. Daniele is a worldwide technical leader for AWS partners in retail at Amazon Web Services, where he drives the technical strategy for AWS partners in digital commerce, customer engagement, and generative AI.
Daniele, welcome to Omni Talk. We're so excited to have you. Let's start first by just giving our audience a little bit of your background before we get into this month's award winner.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me. I'm really excited to be here. Really looking forward to these segments and these awards as well. So my role at AWS is twofolds, right? On one side, I look at the industry trends, market signals, our customers' feedback to drive that strategy, define that strategy, and then we go and implement with our partners in terms of what kind of solutions, what kind of challenges are our customers seeing, and how can we best help them solve those. And then on the other side, I also work closely with our customers and our sales teams to then connect them, being able to advance the use of these partner solutions with their customers. I've been with Amazon now for a bit over 11 years, and in this particular role for the last 3.5. And as I said, really excited to be here. Really looking forward to these sessions.
I can't think of a better person to partner with on this award each and every month. All right, so I baited the hook. I teased it at the outset. Who is this month's inaugural Retail Tech Startup winner?
So really excited to share that that would be Botify. Botify is an enterprise platform that helps brands, retailers really maximize their visibility across search platform and search engines and different platforms. And really, what that means today in this changing environment is that they're able to be seen everywhere or able to be found everywhere.
Why is that so important in your mind right now, Daniele? Like, what sets them apart from other providers?
What we're seeing is a change in consumer behaviors, meaning that when consumers look for products, they start their shopping journey, they don't necessarily start that anymore on a traditional search engine, but they rely more and more on generative engines like the Perplexity or ChatGPT or Claude. Mm-hmm. And these platforms or brands need to be able to be visible on these platforms as well. And what Botify does that is different and quite unique is the fact that they go beyond the SEO and keyword tracking, meaning that they are able to not only understand what bot agents are doing on a brand's website, what kind of content they access, what kind of products they may be looking at, what kind of page they are trying to access. But then they're also able to give customers an understanding of what content is valuable, what content is visible and not visible, especially. So brands then they can act on that and make sure that the content that they want to be seen, is actually discoverable.
And Daniele, what are the long-term implications of this technology when we step back and think about it across retail? And why do you think it's so important to highlight this particular startup as our first, retail tech startup of the month?
Yeah, I think there's two aspects here. One, obviously, is for the brands to be able to be seen, so brand recognition, but also increase revenue, increase profitability as the traffic keeps on coming to the brands and to the retailers. On the second aspect is also optimizing the cost, optimizing the operational cost, right? Botify also allows you to serve content in a more or serve optimized content to the bots, so that your infrastructure cost is also optimized and is also reduced. So these two are important aspects, important impact on businesses that Botify is enabled.
All right. Thank you, Daniele. And thank you to and congrats to Botify for being named our first retail tech startup of the month.